Successful people don't drift to the top. It takes focused action, personal discipline, and lots of energy every day to make things happen. One thing they are good at is they have absolute clarity on what they do. They won't spend time on areas which don't require any intelligence. In a nutshell, they are too good at prioritizing their tasks. Welcome back to Panikar's vlog, Nothing But Life. Friends, when the period of life is limited and list to do things are unlimited, it requires a special skill to understand where to hang in and what to detach. Here comes the importance of prioritizing. Prioritizing will help to understand the important areas better, and it will also help us to know the less pressing areas. How one can master this? I am explaining a beautiful technique called planned neglect. This is nothing but knowingly you are neglecting something so as to do something. It's a discipline that can benefit anyone. Let me give a small analogy to explain this. A famous concert violinist who played in New York's world famous Carnegie Hall was asked the secret of her success. She explained, "When I was in school, there were many things that demanded my time. When I went to my room after my breakfast, I dusted the floor, made my bed, straightened the room, and did whatever else came to my attention. Then I hurried to my violin practice. I found I wasn't progressing as I thought I should be. So one day I decided to reverse things. Until my practice period was completed, I deliberately neglected everything, even people that would take me away from the priority of practicing. That program of planned neglect, I believe, accounts for my success." Friends, here what she did is, she was focused on a particular end and was willing to neglect whatever did not lead to that end. The resistance to this technique is actually coming from two angles. Number one, when you handle multiple projects or multiple disciplines, my suggestion here is you can still do a better job if you reverse the order of doing things. Quoting Mozart, the shorter way to do many things is to do only one thing at a time. Number two, when people say, even this job is also good, and how can I ignore that? Need to understand that sometimes we should learn to say no to good things so that we can say yes to the best. So friends, want to take a massive step forward towards an important goal in your life? Practice planned neglect. This planned neglect strategy is for the winners, hence it is stellar. Someone rightly said, "The art of being wise is the art of knowing what to overlook." So, what are you planning to neglect this week? Thanks for watching. Wish you all the best.